Sichuan Yilong Technology.Textile Group Company Limited was founded in 2009 and located in Lushan, Sichuan Province. Through 13 years development, Sichuan Yilong has evolved into a major player in manufacturing workwear fabrics in China. Now we have 7 continuous dyeing lines and 2 rotary screen printing lines, employing more than 600 staffs. Produce capacity reached 11 million meters per month. Our main products are solid dyed and printed of polyester cotton, polyester viscose, nylon cotton, cotton spandex, polyester cotton spandex, polyester viscose spandex, mechanical stretch, and all kinds of professional functional fabrics such as waterproof, oil-proof, soil release, Teflon, wrinkle-free, flame retardant, anti-static, anti-acid, antibacterial, anti-infrared, anti-chlorine bleaching, anti-mosquito, UV protection, and industrial washing. We have more than 30 varieties of ready-to-ship fabrics with thousands of colors for customers choosing from, which can be shipped within 3 days. With years of experience in exporting, our products are selling to more than 100 countries all over Europe, America, Middle East, Middle Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Africa. Sichuan Yilong is granted to get certifications of Ocotex, STEP, Made in Green, ISO 9001, GRS, OCS, BSCI, and are members of AATCC. We have own standard laboratory, can make all tests. With the advanced dyeing and processing equipment, independent R&D team, global marketing network, we strive to establish customer satisfaction and trust as the core value to win the market. Yilong creates the future of global workwear fabrics.